Lên trên này, lên trên này. Mày đây, mày đây.
This way, guys. Hurry, hurry, transform me. Here.
Okay, thank you. I'll do Sprite. Yeah, 7 Up's fine. Yeah. Just as is. That's it.
I'll have passion juice. And then mango and passion fruit smoothie.
I mean, like the whole make you stop.
Do you want a Sprite?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm just afraid, like, are you sure? I'm just afraid, like, you want to focus on the video. How about you stand the trend? No, that's just this. The flowers.
I'm just gonna share. Thank you.
Okay. Like that, you know, but
We came at the right time by accident.
yeah. And do not weight the hand or the leg, something like that. Hey, down,
Oh, this is the wrong way. Okay. We look so red and sweaty. Yes, we do. Oh, I think that's yours, son.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
I wonder which way it's coming from.
Okay, so it's 120,000, so can you pay for now?
20,000? 120?
We just have 3 drinks, right?
Yeah.
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 Juice is 40, smoothie is 50, and the Coke is 30.
Yeah.
Cầm tiền à, cầm tiền à? Có cầm tiền không? Cầm tiền không? Can you give 80,000 back?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ơi! Đi!
We're at the shop.
Okay, cool.
I wanted
Nào
to
thôi!
get
Yeah, really?
to. Hanoi 1990s is the one.
Try and edit it together.
And this is
Hey,
where
we
we
just
are?
have a
Yeah,
minute
we-
remaining.
We got seated into that.
East of those.
East to the right side.
This is so wild. I'm like a little afraid about the ride.
Đây là sản Hanoi Station to Ho Chi Minh City. Đây. So please take care. I can run to Ho Chi Minh City to pick you up.
Probably good.
So please stay here with me, please. Yeah. Knee to the right side, lady. Knee to the right. The train is shaking. It's really shaking. Please. I will
Thôi nó ngồi mà.
Nhưng mà nó ngồi tận đến đây này.
Nó ngồi này có tay nó kia mà.
Sợ lắm, nó ngã xuống thôi.
She didn't trust you. I do my best.
No, that looks so risky. Don't do that.
Good timing. Yeah. How often does it come? Not that often from what I was reading, so wow. This actually is, yeah. We're saying it's more on the weekends though. Okay. Than the weekends. more frequent, the trains.
Still selling. It's 7 minutes. Oh yeah.
This is the longest 2 minutes ever. They probably also had a little bit of time just to get people hyped and ready.
Okay, it's really nice to meet you all. Thank you so much.
Yeah, maybe she's popping out.
There we go.
Okay, do not tip over, okay?
Sit back.
So keep leaning. Keep leaning back.
We're up to your leading.
Well, when it comes out,
Put a foot slightly.
Yeah. Bracing. Okay, wait.
Inches away.
That was actually really scary.
That was crazy.
That was amazing.
We did.
There's not another one. Before we get our thing.
Oh, you're still here?
Literally next to it.
Oh, that's
Real life.
funny. It's really funny.
Can I see the first video?
Haven't seen you before. That was crazy.
I feel like they were right. Had we not turned our knees, we would have gotten chopped.
Yeah.
That was not.
It is a safety thing.
Yeah.
It's not getting sucked in. It's it was like this far away. We couldn't touch it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Man,
Maybe it's this.
it might be that.
Like that's the amount.
You know, this whole time I was just thinking, my boss at work was like, she's like, have fun, but make safe choices. And I, in this moment, as we did that, I was like, this is the safe choice. I was like, I don't know if Gretchen would like this.
Yeah, no, we're not in a place where like if it's being done, it's safe.
Yes. 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 Passion juice? Yeah. Yes.
And mango passion juice and regular.
Thank you. This